Hi everyone, today we'll be proving that cos open bracket y minus pi close the bracket plus sine open bracket y plus pi over 2 close the bracket will equals to 0. Step 1, using the compound angle formula for both left hand side and right hand side. Here we'll be having, for left hand side, have cos open bracket y minus pi close the bracket will be equals to cos y, that's expanding this bracket. Like I want to expand it, we also have cos pi plus sine y and sine pi using one of the compound angle formula. So next we were having cos y, then cos pi is equals to -1, okay, then plus sine y, then sine pi is equals to 0. So 0 multiplied by sine y will give us 0. Then -1 multiplied by cos y will give us minus cos y. Step 2. Using the compound angle formula for the right hand side, we'll be having sine open bracket y plus pi over 2 will be equals to sine y cos pi over 2 plus cos y, then sine pi over 2. All this is according to the compound angle formula. Then going forward, we'll be having sine open bracket sine y close your bracket, then cos pi over 2 is going to give us 0, okay, then plus cos y, then sine pi all over 2 will give us 1. So this will now be giving us this sine y multiplied by 0 will give us 0, and this will give us what? 1 multiplied by cos y will give us cos y. Step 3, bringing our result from the left hand side to the right hand side to get our final answer. So here in the left hand side, our result was minus cos y, okay, then plus, for the right hand side, our result is cos y, okay. So minus cos y and cos y will be equals to 0. So this prove, therefore this proves that cos y minus pi close the bracket plus sine open bracket y plus pi over 2 is equals to 0. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.